Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ready or Not failed to connect to host error. Having trouble with the failed to connect to host error and Ready or Not? Let's break down the top fixes in under a minute. First, remember the game uses peer-to-peer hosting, so if the host disconnects or crashes just before you join, the match ends instantly. A quick tip: if your ping shows 0, you are the host. Don't leave mid-session. Second, MSI users, beware. MSI Dragon Center can cause issues if it doesn't update properly. Run it as an administrator to ensure your LAN port connects correctly. This has fixed auto disconnects from some players. Third, check for DLC mismatches. If the host owns content you don't, you may be blocked from joining. Try syncing your versions. Lastly, some errors are tied to game side bugs or server instability, especially in early access builds. So here's your fix order. Verify game files and restart your PC. Tweak firewall or VPN settings. Update MSI drivers. Ensure your DLC matches. And try hosting the match yourself. That should get you back in action. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.